Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota RAV4 spare tire cover. First, locate the bottom edge of your spare tire cover. Many covers have clips or latches along this edge. Carefully examine the cover to understand its attachment points. You'll typically find one or two main securing points that need to be released. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Once you've identified the securing points, proceed to release them. This usually involves pressing a button, flipping a latch, or unhooking a strap. With the bottom fasteners disengaged, gently pull the lower part of the cover away from the spare tire. You should feel it start to separate. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the cover or the vehicle's paint. After the bottom is free, lift the entire cover upwards. It should slide off the top of the spare tire with minimal effort. Some covers might have a small lip or groove at the top that needs to clear the tire. Once completely detached, carefully set the cover aside in a secure place where it won't get scratched or damaged. Reinstalling your spare tire cover is simply the reverse of these steps. Always inspect the cover and tire for any debris or damage before putting it back on. Align the top edge first, then push the cover down and secure the bottom clips or latches. Make sure all fasteners are firmly engaged to prevent the cover from coming loose while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.